Beginning of this video, we do have some free resources that you can use to implement everything that we are going to be discussing with you. One of those free resources is what I currently have on my screen, which is the Awareness Communication Plan Checklist that provides you with the respective activities that you on the team will have to complete to help increase your successes in providing the awareness communications. That's one. Here is another one, a free rollout change management communication plan that includes the different components that you can implement for increasing your overall success, not just about awareness, but also about engaging impacted users, things that you can do before go live, during go live, and also after go live, after rolling out the AI implementation. One more free resource. This one is a free communication strategy change implementation plan that outlines the phase that you have to consider, the different phases, like, for example, assess, develop, deploy, and then also normalizing the new behavior. It includes key change management activities that you can consider, including change impact assessment, readiness assessment, stakeholder assessment, developing a detailed plan for rolling out the AI implementation, developing training, developing resources. So it is a robust change implementation plan that you and members of your team can get for free and start using today. Okay? Next, let us discuss why awareness messaging is really your most critical first step. When employees hear AI is coming, they often think about job losses or complexity. That is why awareness messaging is your most powerful tool. Communicating AI changes to employees clearly and early can reduce resistance and boost engagement. This is the beginning of your AI readiness communication plan. Get this part right, and everything else becomes easier. So many times, ever since the last 2 decades that I've been doing organizational change management, I have seen time and time and time again how that awareness communication really helps to reduce resistance. A lot of times project teams, they run into a severe level of resistance because they don't do a good job in providing adequate awareness communication. And adequate awareness communication is really effective awareness communication. Effective awareness communication involves providing key pieces of information in your awareness, including why is this being done now, what really is changing, what's in it for people, and also your communication should be broken into chunks, into sections. And we do have examples that I will be sharing with you today. But one thing to keep in mind is this: people don't like reading anymore. So when they see a long email that is just one big block of text, they normally disengage. And so you want to ensure that your awareness communication is broken up into chunks. And once again, I will explain what I mean shortly. Next, let us discuss the four-phase awareness messaging delivery approach that we recommend. The first one is really to focus on the initial awareness communications, where you really get people aware of what is coming. So that includes things like we are implementing, and this is just an example, Copilot for M365. We are implementing that 2 months from now, or 1 month from now, or 3 months from now. Here's what you really need to know. Here's what's in it for you. In addition, here is a high level roadmap. Over the next few weeks, we will do testing and then we will roll it out. We will make sure we support you. And in a way, you provide that high level awareness, which once again, we will show you the sample shortly. But you provide a high level awareness that contains key pieces of information in a succinct manner. It shouldn't be a 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 page long communication, but it should include the key components in a short version. So that's the initial awareness. And then the pre go live communication, where you tell people go live is coming soon, get ready. Here is how you can have access to resources. We're going to be doing training. Here is what you need to know. And then the week of the go live, there will be additional communications that go out. For example, hey everyone, go live is next Monday. Uh, you will have access. There will be an email that goes out letting you know you officially have access to log into the system. If you have any questions, here is who you should reach out to, things like that. And then on the day of go live, you also want to send out, we have gone live communication, but you don't want to stop there. You also want to provide additional communications after go live to help reinforce the new behavior. All right, everyone. So when you click on the link below this video, it will bring you to this detailed guide that I am sharing on my screen. And there you will see information about crafting your message. But here are the sample AI awareness communications that I mentioned. This first one we are looking at here on my screen is a company-wide announcement that you can leverage. You will probably want to tweak this a little bit, maybe integrate a language that will resonate more with your organization. But here we have provided you with a sample. And then here is another sample where we recommend avoid technical jargons, just really use language that will resonate with people, right? So you include that there. And then here is another a sample also that could be part of an internal newsletter or an internal a memo, that you can send out. We also included sample awareness messaging that you can use for Teams or Slack or some key things to include on an FAQ. We also include 1 or 2 leadership talking points. So this detailed guide really provides you with a ton of valuable information, including the step-by-step what you can do, phase out your communications, train your messengers, including the champions and also the managers, a ton of useful information, and it is free. You want to consider using the right channels for maximum reach. The best AI awareness communications and plan, they don't live in your inbox or in your OneDrive or in your local desktop. They live everywhere employees and managers and leaders already go to. So use team meetings, use Slack or Teams messages, do live walkthroughs to reinforce your messaging, leverage the Change Champion Network to help communicate awareness and other information about the AI implementation. Talk to managers and ask them to talk about the AI implementation during the team meetings or all hands. You will want to consider using a multi-pronged approach. Whenever I deliver organizational change management for AI or other types of change projects, I always use a multi-pronged approach. And sometimes I call that the hybrid approach, meaning a tops down and a bottoms up approach. Tops down means you give leadership communications to cascade to their direct reports. That's the top down. During time of change, employees and managers, they look up to their leadership for direction. So impacted users will open a communication from their leadership more often than not. The bottoms up approach is the change team or the project team sending communications up to impacted users. It also involves the change champion network also sending communications and messages to their colleagues. The bottom line, once again, is using a multi pronged approach will increase your success. AI awareness isn't a one and be done message, it is an ongoing conversation. So use internal newsletters, user spotlights, and quick polls to stay in tune with how your messaging is landing. This is how to ensure successful AI implementation messaging and to maintain a robust AI awareness communication plan. Continuing the dialogue with an AI workplace communication template, like the ones that I showed you at the beginning of this video, it really helps move from initial awareness to confident adoption. And that is a quick win. Place plus more AI messaging samples, timelines, and templates, all free. Click below to access the full detailed guide that gives you access to all of these free resources. And once again, the comprehensive resource includes everything you need for an effective AI awareness communication plan. It is free. You can save it. You can save it as a PDF. You can share it with other members of your team. We have created it for you. And don't forget to check out our other videos. In addition, if you have any requests, just go ahead and enter that in the comment section. So, for example, we have people saying, "Hey, Obi, can you create a video for a change impact assessment?" Others are saying, "Hey, Obi, can you do a video on how to manage resistance to AI?" So, if you have any requests, it doesn't have to be AI related. It could be change management to change a company's organizational culture. If you want a video for that, just go ahead and make a comment. It could be conducting change management to increase adoption for new business processes, or it could be an M&A post integration that needs to happen, and you would like a video that covers that. Whatever it is, so long as it is related to change management, whatever it is, just go ahead and make your comments and make your requests, and we'll be more than happy to put together that video and also send you a message. We just reply to your request on YouTube and let you know that that content has been published. Okay. All right. Good luck.